In this video, you will learn to create a retro sunset in CorelDRAW.
Hey there creators, Sir Orlando here. Welcome back to the Creators World channel where we learn to earn with graphic design and online business. I encourage you to subscribe to the channel where we post new videos each and every week to help you build your design abilities. In today's video, we are diving into a super fun and nostalgic project where I show you how to create a retro sunset design right here in CorelDRAW, which I use bold colors and shapes to give us an 80s vibe. This design is perfect for t-shirts, posters, or just to level up your design skills. So hit the like button and let's create something awesome together. Are you ready to learn? Let's go!
Start by creating a circle of dimensions 30 millimeters. Press P to center it on the page. Open the contour docker. Choose the outside contour and apply the settings as you see on the screen. Now break the contour apart and ungroup all. Then regroup again. Now select the 2-point line tool and locate the quadrant of the outermost circle. From the left to the right, click and drag to draw a line. Now select all objects on the page and trim. Now let's delete the line we just made and ungroup all the circles. Now select the circles one after the other and break apart. Do this for all the circles. This gives us a semicircle result, which you will see or find out later. Now select the innermost semicircle and start to fill with color as you see on the screen. Remember, in nature, the sun is always above the sea. So the yellow family will always be on top and the blue family will always be below. Now let's group all of them. Good. Now draw a rectangle and set the width or the height. Set the height to 7 millimeters and the width to 140 millimeters. Holding down Shift, click the circle, select the two objects and press T to align it to the top of the circle. Now let's open our transform docker and apply the settings as you see on the screen. Select all the rectangles and click and drag till it hits the center part of our circles. Again, apply the transform settings as you see on the screen and begin to fill the rectangles with the same color scheme as we did for the circles. This time beginning from the top, just as you see on your screen. So it is more of a reverse order from that of the circle. Good. Now select the circle, so click and drag around the size of the circle and give it an order with Shift plus Home to bring it to the front of the page and ungroup. Select the two shapes with a dark red fill and weld. Again, select the two shapes with a dark green shade and weld. Now select the rectangles as you see on the screen and take them to the back of page so the dark green color will be revealed. Also, your retro sunset is almost done. Now select all and take away the outline and apply a drop shadow effect just as you see on the screen. Great! This makes it more revealing. Let's select all and group. Now we're going to add some texture, some grunge texture, which you can download online. Just look for grunge texture effect. With this one, I change the angle of rotation to 90 and I set the size to 150. Make sure it is at the front of the page and then apply a transparency. Set the mode to multiply and add a uniform transparency and set the transparency amount to 70. Awesome. Now let's draw a rectangle and set the size to 140 by 110 millimeters. Let's group everything on our page. Now center our rectangle on our page by pressing P and power clip our design into our rectangle. Take away the outline and ta-da! If you got value from this video, then subscribe for more inspiring content. Your likes and your comments are deeply appreciated. Start creating yours now!